Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with Hexbot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05mm high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. Hexbot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. Hexbot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. Hexbot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on Hexbot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling Hexbot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control Hexbot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring Hexbot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
We love festivals, the freedom, the endless creativity, the peace of mind. Have you ever felt really lost? That tingling fear, the rising panic that no one will find you? We never wanted to experience that again. That's why we created our brand new Nebulite collection. The illuminated fanny pack and drawstring backpack are filled to the rim with incredible features. They'll blast your festival experience into a new dimension. A unique fiber optic fabric illuminates the outside of the bags. You will look great and stand out in the crowd. Like magic, the integrated motion sensor picks up your best moves and adjusts the animation to your dancing. Express yourself. Even in slower moments, the sophisticated beat detection synchronizes with your flow. Use the remote control app to match the bag to your style in seconds. Choose from over 16 million colors and heaps of animation modes, or even create your own. On top of all this, the inside illumination helps you find your stuff even in the darkest night. And for your peace of mind, we integrated an alarm that keeps your belongings safe. Don't just change colors, change structure. Simply switch up the front side with your choice of sequence. Visibility isn't just the life of the party, it can also save your life. That's why we incorporated a bicycle feature that automatically lights up a bright red when you suddenly have to brake. You can also press the left and right buttons on your handlebar for the turn indication. Last year, we had a successful Kickstarter campaign for our first bag. Now we need your help to fund our new collection. Join us and pre-order your bag so we can illuminate your night.
Hi, my name is Tyler Wright. I am the founder and lead designer at Carbon5. We specialize in unique designer carbon fiber rings. I designed carbon fiber to be made into rings that you can't find anywhere else. This is our latest design, and it's a new version of the AURORA carbon fiber ring design. This design glows brighter and longer than the previous two. and we did some other things that made it a little bit more unique. We widened the glow stripes, we maxed out the amount of glow that can be infused into the carbon fiber itself, and we added a layer of carbon fiber to each side to allow for more shaping options. With each design that we've done, we've learned something new to apply to the next design to improve and perfect the AURORA carbon fiber design. In this third design, we've finally perfected the AURORA carbon fiber design. We've made it more comfortable to wear, we've made it brighter glow, and the glow lasts even longer than ever before. We are launching it on Kickstarter because each individual glow color, we have to make a carbon fiber plate in that glow color. That means we have to make quite a bit of raw material to be able to make this design a reality. Please back our Kickstarter and help us reach our goal. We'll have more designs and colors, and the more backers we have, the more colors we can offer. Select a reward below and back us today. Thanks.